So this is after about 2 hours of sitting in diesel.
Look at this. There we go. We got movement.
And the crank is moving.
We're hitting a stop here, but
yeah, that's okay. But you got movement.
All right, I'm going to continue going this way. Let me
yeah. You can hear hear the diesel coming out. Yep. And you're getting some in the pan now.
All right.
That's right, but it is dripping.
I'll tell you, it feels pretty nice.
Yeah.
Try to go all the way over.
So just so we remember, we were trying to go clockwise with no success, and then finally going counterclockwise.
Yeah.
It broke.
Right.
Free.
And I was hitting a hard spot even after we broke free going clockwise, so I don't know. We'll have to see if that's going to be an issue.
Yeah, but you're getting movement now. All that diesel coming out.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Okay, okay. That's all right. You work up against it, and then we'll work back the other way, that's all.
Why would that be, you think?
Well, it's probably got the ring of rust somewhere along the way.
Yeah.
Let's see.
All right, so let's go back the other way.
I'm going to shut this off.